Bootstrap method. Welcome to Bootstrap method. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is Bootstrap method. The Bootstrap method is a statistical technique used for the following: estimation, standard error, calculating confidence intervals, bias estimation. And the key features are there. Distribution free, it doesn't rely on specific assumptions about the data distribution. Flexible, it is easy to apply small data sets. It performs well even when you have limited data. Start with your initial data set. Draw a sample with replacement. Create multiple bootstrap samples by selecting data points randomly, allowing the same point to be chosen more than once. Compute statistics. Calculate the required statistics for each of these samples. Repeat and analyze. Repeat this process many times and then analyze the result to estimate variability and accuracy. The method is used in various fields, including machine learning model evaluations, medical and biological research, financial risk analysis, regression and predictions model. So we can see applications of non-parametric bootstraps. Estimating confidence intervals, machine learning models evaluations, biological research, and financial risk. Select to the original sample and draw sample with replacement. And compute statistics. Test statistics. So we can see applications of parametric bootstraps, confidence interval, machine learning, medical, financials. Repeat many times, analyze results, estimate these variability and accuracy, and create many bootstrap samples. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.